Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engineer News with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. Writing tests for components which require information to the router is not easy, especially when the documentation for the RouterTestingModule and provideLocationMocks is not crammed with content. Since Angular 15.2 though, we have the RouterTestingHarness. This is a developer-friendly alternative. In his latest article of his router testing series, Lars Nielsen shows how to use the harness and how it makes our testing life easier. The imminent next big thing in Angular is going to be the signal input. So a component's input property as a type of signal. It is already very safe to say that this feature will land in one of the next minor versions of Angular 17. Last week, Matthieu Riegler posted already how the code look like. By the time of this recording, we have already our first PR, so more information in the next episode. Other than that, Jesseline Jane presented the latest changes in DevTools 119 and 120. Be sure to check it out, there might be the one or the other handy feature for you. One important topic there is the phasing out of third-party cookies. In Chrome, it already starts next month. DevTools are now equipped with tools that will help you to get ready for that, if you have the need. PrimeNG, a very popular UI library, was released in version 17, making it compatible to Angular 17, and the same is true for Ionic, a cross-platform framework, which was released in 7.6, also with the compatibility to Angular 17. And that's it. Wishing you a nice week and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.